Want to check the Wi-Fi password of your connected network? Just you need to go to your Wi-Fi section, and here you need to click on the setting icon. Alright, then go down and the left top corner click QR code, and here you need to just capture a screenshot. After capturing a screenshot, you need to go back and then just go to your Google Chrome or any other browser which you have. After opening a browser, you need to click on the search bar, and here you need to search QR code scanner. Just search it. After searching this one, you can click on any website, but I click on the first one, QR code scanner. All right, then here you need to click on the go a little down and choose the option drag and drop. Click on the file icon like here. Just click here, and here you need to click on files and choose the screenshot which you captured recently. All right, so I just select the screenshot of QR code that I captured, and in a moment here you can see the password of your connected device is here, 404918. This is very simple to find out the connected Wi-Fi password, or see the password of connected Wi-Fi network. And I hope so the short tutorial is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.